What's your name? What's your name? My name is Salman Khan. My name is Salman Khan. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. I live in Dhaka. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on 1st October 2003. My birthday is on 1st October 2003. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? My phone number is 018-653-92743. My phone number is 018-653-92743. What religion are you? What religion are you? I am a Islam. I am a Muslim. What's your marital status? What's your marital status? I am single. I am single. Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? Yes, I have a girlfriend. Yes, I have a girlfriend. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I don't have any children. I don't have any children.